Hi guys, it's Auntie Knows Kitchen. Sorry, I've been on my hiatus for the past couple of days. It's been a very chaotic week. You know, this week finally things are starting to calm down, and hopefully things will keep going smoothly. But I plan to be back tomorrow. But I'm in my garage because I was able to do my big haul. And so I'm going to show you all what I got. I know it's on 3 of us in here, but I've always bought in huge bulk. But I love a house that looks clean, smells clean, good to go, and that's how I like my home. So hold on a moment. I'll share with you what my haul looks like and how I organize my hauls. So give me a moment and we'll get started. This is my haul for my household things. Paper towels, I go through a lot of these. I usually go through 2 of these a month. Yes, so I got all my Febreze. Yep. I go through these, but I like when I open one, I like to have a bag up. That's just me. My bleach, because I love to have my bleach water solution in my kitchen, because I love my bleach. As you see, love my Clorox, love my Lysol and all my good stuff. I love my plug-ins. I love my Mr. Clean, my Lysol, my bathroom. Yes, we love Cardinal, only brand that we buy. So this is my household cleanup. And so I'm going to organize this stuff in my tote. These will go in my laundry room. Well, these 2, the towels and the toilet paper, they'll go in my laundry room. And I'll show you how I organize these in my tote. So just give me a moment and I'll show you how all this ends up getting organized. Okay. I have all my cleaning products all organized. This is what I use to clean my appliances with. Works really well. I don't spray, things on my fridge and things like that. Works really well. And I'm old school. It's what I use to clean my living room and dining room tables and my kitchen table. I love liquid gold. I don't use pledge. Doesn't work well in my opinion. But this is where I store all of my cleaning supplies, the extra what doesn't go in the bathrooms, because I always take one and put it in each bathroom. I have 3 bathrooms, so 1 of each goes in the bathroom. I've already did that. Well, they already have things in there, so I don't have to I already had some stuff, so I already taken those out and taking them upstairs. And these are wipes. I wipe my little 4-legged child off when he comes in from outside. So I had to got my chair all plugged up, because once I left this chair on by mistake overnight, and it cost $500 to get that battery replaced. $400 for the battery, and then another $100 for them to come out and put the battery in. So I'm not going to do that again. So I'll finish showing you my haul. I also buy all my storage bags and gloves and everything, because I don't like to run out of things. So these were part of my haul today. These items, my gloves, my storage bags. I had coupons for these, all at whatever one of those warehouse clubs are, because I hit 2 today, BJ's and the one with the S. I know what it is, I just can't connect it. But so this is my tote where I keep my gloves and all my little storage bags. So all these stay in a tote, so when I need a box, I just grab a box. I'm telling you, this. Sorry, guy, but that OCD is no joke. But even before all this, that OCD thing, I always have believed that everything has a place. I like organization. I always have. I believe in everything in my house has to have a place. I don't like clutter and things all over the place. So this is my haul of my bags and gloves things. So I have one more haul to show you, and we'll be done with the haul for today. So hold on. If I'm boring you, sorry, but it's just a haul. This is their snack haul. This, you know, I buy their snacks separate. This is Katie Pot. This is what Katie Pot likes. So she got her sea salt snack popcorn. She got her chips. And see, this would last them almost 2 months, because they're not snackers and big eaters like that. Just lasts them almost 2 months, except for these, because this is their favorite. This will last them, you know. This is not gonna last them no more than 2 weeks. These will last about a month. This lasts him about 2 months, but the chips and stuff will last them at least 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. And so I'll go to the farmer's market and pick up fruits, because there's certain fruits that they like. Caitlin is an orange, banana, and watermelon person, and he likes just oranges, and Caitlin likes golden apples. So he'll eat watermelon sometimes. It has to be extra ice cold. So guys, this concludes my haul for the day. But let me show you what I got. Because getting ready to do Caitlin's bathroom over. I'm doing it in lavender. So purple and lavender. It's more like a serenity type style. So let me show you what I've got. Found this at my little dewdrop in store. And I thought, because it has the purple in, it's just for decoration. We're not going to be cleaning any toilets with it. Yes, I do buy things that I put in my bathrooms just for decor reasons. That's just me. So they know not to use them. So, and this is just for decor. And I got my coffee cups, my 16-ounce coffee cups. Something else I get from my dewdrop in. This is 50, because when I drink my coffee in the morning, I don't want to. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to wash out mugs and cups. So I can drink out of these, finish, throw it away. Toss and go, toss and go. That's what I'm about. Yes, and I have the ones that I can put the tops on to go to. So that's just me, toss and go. One more find. Have my condiment cups. These were $2. I love my dewdrop in store, because one thing they do is go and buy overstock from like stores. When they have so much stuff, they have to liquidate it. That's what they do. They go buy that stuff and then sell it to the public. I love that dewdrop in store. If anyone wants to know where it is, who lives in the metro area of Atlanta, I'll tell you exactly. Just send me a message and I'll reply and tell you where it is. But I go there every week, because they usually unload everything on a Wednesday, but I go there every week, sometimes twice a week, because you never know what you'll find. But these are my little condiment cups. So thank you for stopping by. I'll just tell you guys that in person. So thank you for dropping by and listening to my video, my haul for today. So I will be back in uploading some cooking video. Like I said, it's just been a really chaotic week, and thank you for understanding. Auntie will be back. Appreciate you. Love you. Hugs and kisses to everyone out there. Oh, let me tell you one thing. When I was in Sam's, there was this, the girl in the butcher shop, meat department, whatever, and she was so helpful. So helpful. And when I was looking for something to cook for my husband today, because I didn't feel like everything is in the freezer. Gotta go treat this low blood sugar guy. I'm at 68 now. It just hit 68, so I just gotta make this quick so I can go, because my husband be coming through the door, because it sends an alert to his phone as well. but she was so sweet. So when I upload this, my next upload, I'm going to dedicate it to her and give her a shout out because she was so sweet. So until my next video, guys, hugs and kisses to everyone. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Love, Auntie Knows. Bye.